Virtual Fun Art. Web3.
Hello, it's Jamie from Virtual Fun Art, and today I'm going to be explaining the Soneium ecosystem. So first of all, what is Soneium? Well, Soneium is an Ethereum layer 2 blockchain, and it's majority owned and funded by the Sony Corporation. So yeah, it's definitely a chain to take notice of. So what I'm going to be doing is explaining, basically all the applications that are on the ecosystem, and how you can explore it. And also, it's important to know that if you are exploring Soneium, you can actually add this to your crypto wallet, such as MetaMask. So yeah, it's important to do that, to add the appropriate network details, so then you can fund your Soneium account. So yeah, first of all, I wanted to show you the official ecosystem. So this is the soneium.org website, and this will show you all the current applications that sit on their network. They do actually have categories here. You can search by category, but I've ticked them all on so we can see a majority of them. There's always things being added all the time, and it can be overwhelming as a new user because there's just so many, and also other networks could probably access some of these apps as well. So it's not just Soneium native apps. Uh, yeah, so there's many on here. You've got sort of financial top ones like AV. If you just hover over it, it actually tells you what that app does, which is quite handy. As you can see, there's quite a lot here. Let's just scroll through them. Yeah, and I think the most handy app to actually start, helping you explore these, actually comes under the social category. It's called Arkada. So let's tick them ones off. We go to social. Yeah, Arkada appears here, and it has your first notice as a triangle, which seems to have some sort of replication towards Sony's network. Arkada says it's a Web3 quest to earn platform powered by reputation. Um, yeah, so I only actually discovered all these other apps via Arkada. It kind like their quests basically made me go out of my way to explore the Soneium chain in general. So by going through some quests on Arcada, you'll actually naturally explore a lot of the ecosystem uh, that are on here. For example, like AV and other applications, or even if this application is just exchanging money, like doing sort of currency swaps, different applications where it acts like a sort of bank where you can almost be like saving Ethereum and gain interest on that, or other currencies. Just different staking protocols. Gaming. Also, just basically gaming applications as well. So I think the best thing to show you is actually the Arkada website. So this is what the Arkada website is. It's basically arkada.gg. It's very important to always get the domain name right. And here you'll see different quests, and it's not just on the Soneium chain, but also it encourages you to explore base, abstract, and others. But as you can see here, it will say boost your Soneium score with AV. So you'll click this one, and it will give you very clear guidance on what to do. It will give you a mission to do, like say, pick the Soneium network within AV and tap supply, and you can just put a little bit of ETH in there to put on a network, just to demonstrate to you what you can actually do with your crypto. Your crypto is not, there's so many things you do. You don't just have to hold it in your wallet. You can choose to try and gain interest of it. Also, they tell you about different applications such as, you know, Uniswap. Uniswap's a very common application for swapping currencies. So, for example, you click Start, and then you go into it. It just automatically takes you. You know that this is a safe website to use because Arkada has the link to it. Yeah, so you could just practice swapping currencies. Also, a lot of these tasks actually help you improve your Soneium score. If if that's what you've been doing. Now, on the actual Soneium website, you can actually, um, you can create a profile where you have online reputation and try and increase your score for future rewards, for example. Yeah, there's quite a lot. As you can see, I've completed a lot of them. Cash or Crash bonus score. I think that's a game. I've already done that. I can't actually show you that one. Yeah, so this is a good way to explore the whole ecosystem, and not just the ecosystem of Soneium, but also of Base and Abstract and plus others. Yeah, I've learned a lot about what other chains actually have to offer as well by going through Arcada, and and also you do build up an Arcada reputation, which you can see here. And basically every month you do the quests, and every time you complete a quest, you gain, pyramids and reputation, and you go onto a leaderboard. And yeah, I think last month there was the top 40 people at the leaderboard actually got a decent amount of Ethereum in reward. So that was good. And a couple of people did actually win NFT as well, like worth £300 each, I think. There's two NFTs given away, and each one was worth £300. So yeah, they reward you for exploring the ecosystem. So you get two things out of it. You get to learn about the different applications and networks out there, and you got the chance of winning rewards. And I find another good thing is about these type of um, applications where they encourage you to explore. You can also sometimes get involved in quite good projects and find opportunities early as well. So yeah, that's pretty much it. If you have any comments about that, please yeah, let me know and I'll answer your question. Okay, thank you. Bye.
Subscribe for more virtual fun art Web3 guides.